The mist acts like a crown upon the green hills, where the Zambezi flows and the spirit fills. Copper in the veins, emerald in the eye. We hold the wealth that money cannot buy. From the lungs of the Congo to the Sahara heat, the earth is alive beneath our bare feet. They saw the shine, they wanted the prize, but they missed the galaxy hidden in our eyes. They dug for the silver,
they dug for the oil.
they tried to bleed the life from the golden soil. But how do you empty a cup that is endless? How do you break a root that is boundless? We are the tree that bends but never breaks. Africa, Africa, they took the harvest, but we kept the seed.
Africa,
You are the garden that satisfies every need. They loaded the ships and they sailed away, but the rhythm remained. It decided to stay in the weave of the kente, in the beat of the chest. We are the dynasty, we are the blessed, the rich in the laughter, rich in the rain, standing tall in the sun, standing tall in the pain. We are not victims of a stolen past. We are the first breath and we are the last. Africa,
Africa,
they took the harvest, but we kept the seed.
Africa,
You are the garden that satisfies every need. Look at the skin, black gold. Look at the story never fully told. For every diamond they cut from the stone, we grew a king on a spiritual throne. You cannot loot the soul, you cannot steal the light. We rise in the morning, we shine in the night.
Akọ́lù orúkọ tí wọ́n ń pàṣẹ àgùntàn ló bí yèyé rẹ̀. Wọ́n gbára jọ ọpẹ́sọ̀dé jùlọ mẹ́kùn. Ìgbà pátá ọmọ orí kan ọmọ ẹ̀gbá aláké. Ọmọ òwò kò jẹ̀bú ọmọ ògòrò nìbà. Ọmọ òwò kọ́ ọmọ fẹ̀ akẹ́lù wẹ́bẹ́ẹ́bẹ́. Òyìnbó ló máa fi sí yorí àwọn ni gbogbo òwúre tá a wí lónìí fún ìyá olóyè. Elédùmarè àmúwọlé àṣẹ kò ní fọ́ kò ní fi ara ẹ̀ ṣe o. Olóòmì ẹ̀mí àgùn kò bí onítají ìlèbí ọ̀sẹ̀ di pèsè ìyẹn ló dífá fún Ọ̀rúnmìlà. Babalọ̀ fowórà rèé lẹ́rú ìrè lọ́ni à ń jẹku ìrè lọ́ni à ń jẹja àtòkútọ̀sà là ń jorí ẹ̀rínlá kéré tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọ̀ọ́nì àǹdásíkìtìkà tẹ́ni àròdọ̀dọ̀ àgbàkà tẹ́fọ̀n elúkélú ọlákọ́lá kan tọ́lá ọ̀ọ́nì okùtókù yẹmi rèégbé náà kólókun yẹmi rèégbé náà kọlọ́sà ọ̀mìnà ní ìlú káràn lóòrò ìdọ̀dọ̀ lọ́wọ́ yọ jorí ìdọ̀dọ̀ ọmọ tèmi yọ àkọ́kẹ́ àǹkẹ́rẹ́jọ tí kakọ́ mọ̀ yọrí.
ẹ̀yin náà ṣoríire o oríire ojú báyìí lọ. inú mi dùn ayọ̀ mi kún àtàná ni mo ti ní gbé báwo la ṣe fẹ́ ṣe báyìí báwo la ṣe fẹ́ ṣe ṣùgbọ́n olóríire lẹ́bí gbogbo nǹkan téèyàn bá ń ṣe nílé ayé kó máa ṣe dáadáa. á tù wá lára o. Àsìkò yìí o, ìgbà yìí o, á tù wá lára o.
A kú oríire ni o. Thank you for welcoming me wholeheartedly into your midst. It is with great zeal and humility that I stand before you today to formally accept the esteemed title, Yeye Moremi Odua, being formally conferred upon me by the Arole Odua, His Imperial Majesty, Kábíyèsí, Obadeyeye, Enitan, Ogunwusi, CFR, Ojaja II, the Ooni of Ile-Ife, at my 60th birthday today, 2nd of May, 2026. The legendary Queen Moremi Ajasoro, the 12th century heroine of Osun State, from where I hail from too. Her shoes I could never step into, speak less of try to fill. Her unfathomable selflessness made all the difference, and her ultimate sacrifice paved the way for the peace that still prevails in Ile-Ife. She truly was an Amazon and a jewel of inestimable value. Though, unlike the legendary Moremi Ajasoro, I make no pact or sacrifice with the sub or supernatural realm, I do, however, unequivocally accept and appreciate this honor wholeheartedly with deep sense of gratitude and responsibility and intention to serve. To whom much is given, much is expected. And so, I, Chief Mrs. Olufunsho Amosun, Yeye Moremi Odua, take this title not with levity or frivolity. I fully comprehend that with recognition comes responsibility, and understand this honor is a call to higher service to humanity. I, Yeye Moremi Odua, therefore, pledge to purposefully carry this title with dignity, compassion, empathy, and humility, in total submission to God's will. I pray for the wisdom required to excel in this role, enablement to make impact and grace, to leave a plethora of good legacies worthy of the honor bestowed upon me by the Arole. My profound thanks again goes to the Arole of Odua for singling me out and elevating me amongst equals. For this honor, I shall endeavor to continually make you proud, Kábíyèsí. So help me God. I truly appreciate you all. Thank you. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Thank you.
Congratulations to Chief Mrs. Olufunsho Amosun, the Yeye Moremi Odua of the source, newly minted. And we also want to say happy birthday and many, many happy returns in good health and in service to our nation and to humanity. Today, ní Palace Kábíyèsí, this is Yoruba land. Kò sí ọ̀rọ̀ APC, PDP, kìnìkan níbí. We are all together. And this is what we should strive for. The interest Yoruba nation. Tí olóyè tuntun èní tí wọ́n represent. Tẹ́ bá lè kó gbogbo wa wá sí ààfin Kábíyèsí Ọ̀jájá. Ntomi ní pé there's hope for Yoruba land. Thank you and God bless you.
Èrò tó ń lọ ẹ má ṣaláì kí Mọ́remí o.
Ajasoro.
Èrò tó ń rèlú Ifẹ̀ tó ń rèlú Akíkanjú.
Ajasoro.
Èrò tó ń lọ ẹ má ṣaláì kí ìyá Olúorogbo.
Ajasoro.
Èrò tó ń ròtù Ifẹ̀ tó ń rèlú Òdáyé.
Ajasoro.
Akíkanjú obìnrin ní Mọ́remí. rẹ̀ lápèrúbọ.
Ajasoro,
èrò tó ń lọ ẹ má ṣaláì wí fún Mọ́remí.
Ajasoro,
pé Ìmọ́remí 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 Ajasoro.
Moremi, 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 Ajasoro. Obojúwọlé kó wá wà wọ́n
ẹ
mọ́lẹ̀.
láyé lóbìrì kò èyí wà mọ́ òkun ti borí ìmọ́lẹ̀.
Pẹ̀lú gbogbo yín mọ́ kí n ọmọ lọ́lọ́dì kan àkúnlẹ̀yìn tí ó máa dáyé bá. Lọ́dẹ̀rẹ̀ ayé kó já ìtọ́nà òun kì í là nínú okòlóko. Kọjá ti yá iṣẹ́ yá mi wẹ́wẹ́wẹ́. Kọjá tọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ kó lè dẹ̀bí lọ́rùn. Kọjá ti tọ̀nà ọ̀pẹ yìí sọ̀rọ̀ èkúrọ̀ orí àpò èkúrọ̀ orí àpò àbúrò ìkororo. Àkọ́kọ́ dáyé ni mo ti jáwé ọ̀la. Àṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dáyé ni mo ti jáwé àtọ́rọ̀. Gbogbo láti gbọ́ nílé àlọ́.